now the cars have stopped driving by. It has been 2 weeks since I've done any sort of lawn care. Super busy at work. Working kind of late. By the time I get home, just don't want to do it. Couple softball games, ran late. Last weekend, Saturday, I hung out with friends all day. Sunday, my brother and I put up a new garage door opener, so yeah, we weren't going to do it that day. Got a little tired after that. It's hot in the garage. The grass though. The last stuff I put down was that Humic 12 microgreen and RGS concoction. And I gotta say, it looks pretty good. Has been mowed in 2 weeks. Didn't really get as long as I thought it was gonna get. But I do have a couple issues. Cat, and then here it's really weak here because I pretty sure I kind of burned the grass a little bit with a hot hose. Turn on a hose, was in the sun for several hours. And look at this, come on, cat, man. I'm not happy with my renovation. I have way too much Bermuda growing in, and don't get me wrong, I like Bermuda, but I wanted a perennial rye backyard. So I attempted to get rid of it. You can see right here with Turflon Ester, but there is so much. I mean, look at that guy. Look at that long guy sticking out there. There's so much growing in here. When I mow it, you'll be able to see it a lot easier. It's all over the place. And a pretty good one back here too. Look at that. So this is the deal. September, full lawn renovation. I've already decided. I'm gonna kill it off, scalp it as much as I can, take out my dethatcher, screw it up best I can, seed it, go from there. That back section back there, I have a high spot right there and a low spot right there. So that one, I'm gonna tear it up with my tiller, and I'm gonna this cat, obsessed are you? Jeez, get yourself out. Get a hold of your life, cat. You can stay inside for 2 seconds. So I'm gonna till it, level it back out, bring dirt back this way. I don't want to do this. This was a nightmare to do. I mean, I want to do it, but I don't want to do it. So you remember about a month ago, I did some DiseaseEx applications, or application here. That area. Well, come on, I did the whole grass, but those were my problem areas. This area over here, it's looking really good. I don't know, but this is looking so much better. Just some dead stuff in here. I mean, you can see the ground, but grass is growing again. I even got a seed head growing here. So if you're on the fence about DiseaseEx, I say take the leap. Jump off the fence. Use the stuff. It got rid of my rust. That area over there, it's proof. It's getting full and thick again. I did put a lot of nitrogen, humic, a bunch of stuff down. I did a curative rate and a preventative rate of DiseaseEx. And I mean, I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna continue using the stuff. It worked out real good for me. I have a big web right here. We have a car driving by. Where's the spider at? Susie! See, I can't let the cat out. Susie! Psst. Susie! Susie, come here. You're not gonna get any treats. You let her out. It's your fault. Tell my cats bye. So long.